Good morning and welcome to Travel World Online. I'm Anika, and here are today's top travel and tourism news highlights from India and around the world. IHG Hotels and Resorts expands luxury footprint in Rajasthan with Intercontinental Resort Jaipur. Flyadeal launches India operations with Delhi, Riyadh, Hyderabad. Flights from July 1. Pradhan Mantri Sangrahalaya pays tribute to H.D. Deve Gowda on his 93rd birth anniversary. Morocco strengthens India outreach through multi-city Kingdom of Light showcases roadshow. Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation opens bookings for Bharat Gaurav Nepal tour with Pashupatinath Darshan. Now, news in detail. IHG Hotels and Resorts has signed a major management agreement to develop the Intercontinental Resort Jaipur Akhrol, slated to open in early 2030. Spread over 16 acres along the Delhi-Jaipur highway, the massive 225-key luxury property will feature 36 private villas, 4 premium dining venues, and extensive banquet infrastructure designed to tap into Rajasthan's booming destination wedding and luxury leisure market. Meanwhile, Morocco is aggressively scaling up its outreach in India. The Moroccan National Tourism Office has wrapped up its multi-city Kingdom of Light roadshow across Delhi, Ahmedabad, Bengaluru, and Chennai. Indian tourist arrivals to Morocco have surged by over 200% since 2019. Driven by major infrastructure upgrades ahead of the 2030 FIFA World Cup, tourism officials are now targeting 75,000 Indian visitors this year. Moving to tourism, IRCTC has opened bookings for its highly anticipated Bharat Gaurav Nepal tour. This curated international pilgrimage circuit offers travelers a hassle-free cross-border spiritual journey covering rail and road transport, meals, and guided sightseeing. The highlight of the package remains a seamless darshan experience at the revered Pashupatinath temple in Nepal. Saudi Arabia's low-cost airline Flyadeal has officially announced its entry into the Indian market. Beginning July 1, 2026, the airline will operate daily flights between Riyadh and Hyderabad using Airbus, a 320neo aircraft. Officials say Hyderabad is only the beginning, with plans already underway to expand services to additional Indian destinations under Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030 aviation strategy. The Pradhan Mantri Sangrahalaya in New Delhi celebrated International Museum Day with a special tribute marking the 93rd birth anniversary of former Prime Minister H.D. Deve Gowda. The commemorative exhibition showcased rare photographs, archival documents, and personal belongings, while documentary screenings at the Parachay Gallery helped connect younger audiences with India's democratic legacy. And that's all for now from Travel World Online. Thank you for watching, have a wonderful day ahead and stay tuned for more travel and tourism updates.